Hi, welcome to Oma's Kitchen.
Oregano.
Let's make orange and date muffins. I use toasted pecans in my recipe, but you could switch them out for toasted walnuts or no nuts at all. Toast them for 5 to 7 minutes. I put the recipe here for you. I crush 4 green cardamom pods with the side of a butter knife and collect the seeds. Open the pods over a small bowl and let the cardamom seeds fall into it. Cardamom seeds almost look like black peppercorns, but they provide a spiced flavor similar to chai tea. They're actually an ingredient in chai tea. The smell and flavor are wonderful. My pecans are done toasting, and I set them aside to cool. I cut the ends off the orange and quarter it. Then I slice down the center to remove any seeds. Each piece is added to the food processor, rind and all. You want the zest and rind in there. I do the same to the small mandarin orange I'm adding. That's optional. Add in the half cup of orange juice and process until the oranges are in small bits. Soften your half cup of butter for 15 seconds in the microwave. I'm using 3/4 of a cup of pitted medjool dates. Cut them into quarters and check for pits anyway, just to make sure. They are nice and sticky, and they make these muffins really soft and moist. I like to open my egg in a separate bowl so that no small shells end up in the food. So now we will add the dates, egg, and butter to the food processor. It sounds a bit like tennis shoes in a dryer at first, but they will eventually process into small bits. And your batter will look very lumpy at this point. That's just the bits of butter in there. Add in the cardamom seeds and process a bit more. In a medium bowl, mix together your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then evenly add it to the food processor. I use a big spoon to help me do that. Process this together to make a thick batter. Stir it a little and then mix it again. It will look smoother at this point. Now add your 3/4 cup of sugar and mix. Open it, stir down the sides, and mix again. Your batter is mostly done. Put the thick batter into your bowl and then stir in the toasted pecans or walnuts if you're using those. My old muffin tins are clean. They're just 30 years old and well seasoned for being used over and over again. I use paper liners and fill them about 1/2 to 2/3 full with my freshly washed clean hands. This is about 2 tablespoons of batter in each. Bake at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 to 18 minutes. These make the house smell like spice, oranges, and nuts. It's so good. Let them cool for a few minutes, and then get one out while they're still a little warm. Come out nice and cakey.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Comfort food. Thank you for joining me in Oma's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll upload more tasty videos soon, and a special shout out to Moon Pie and Lil Bit. Till next time.